Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WhatsApp new features. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply link your Instagram into your WhatsApp account very easily. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is head over to your Google Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Play Store. Then have you open up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to search right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to search apps and game. So what you need to do right here is to simply type in WhatsApp and hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on update right here. After a successful download the new update, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. Then after open up my WhatsApp, next thing I'm going to do is to click on these three dots from the top. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing I'm going to do is to tap on my profile icon right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on links. Right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on Instagram. Then what you need to do right here is to simply type in your handle. Adding an Instagram link will make it visible on your WhatsApp profile. So what you need to do is to simply type in your handle, your Instagram handle right here. If you don't know what Instagram handle look like, let me simply walk you through steps. So first thing first, make sure you open up your Instagram. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Instagram. Then after you open up your Instagram, click on profile icon from the bottom right here. Here we go. So they take you right here. This username right here is also referred to as your Instagram handle. So I'm going to head over back to my WhatsApp right here and make sure I type in this exactly the way I have it on my Instagram. So I'm going to simply exit from here and go back to my WhatsApp right here and type in the exact way I have it on my Instagram. Okay, so once it's correct, next thing you need to do is to simply hit on save right here. Hit on save. Just like so, you can see here that your Instagram has been successfully added to your profile. So you can simply go back and then you have it right here, which is successfully linked. It's as simple as that. So this is what I have for you as far as new WhatsApp feature of how you can simply link your Instagram account to your WhatsApp account is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about WhatsApp like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.